So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing unable to load camera roll problem in your messenger app, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing you why this problem is coming in messenger and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. So what you have to do, if this is the same problem of you, so guys you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment yes. So how to solve this problem? First, you have to open the settings of your phone. So after opening the settings of your phone, you have to scroll down and select the apps option. Yes guys, you have to select the apps option and then search for messenger here. Yes guys, you have to search for messenger app. Then after searching for messenger, select it and then click on storage and cache. After clicking on the storage option, you have to clear the cache and then select clear storage and then click on delete or ok button. After this, your messenger app will be refreshed and you have to go to the back of your home screen and then open the play store of your phone. Now search here for messenger. You have to search for messenger app, and after searching for the messenger app will be appears on your screen. When the messenger app appears on your screen, if the update button is shows, so you have to click on the update button, but the update button is not showing, so guys you have to uninstall the messenger app. Yes guys, you have to uninstall the app and then click on the install button. So after reinstalling the messenger app, the reinstalling is starting and you have to wait for some time. Then the messenger app will be reinstalled on your phone. After this, when your messenger app will be reinstalled, so you have to go to the home screen of your phone, then open your messenger app and allow the storage permission, and then your messenger starts working. I hope guys understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.